Hello, and welcome everybody to my channel. If you are new here, you are very welcome, and if you're a returning subscriber, I want to say thank you for coming back. My name is Patience, and I would like to invite you to join me in today's DIY. We are going to be making a gazebo using balloons. Alright guys, without any waste of time, let's get into it. Alright guys, so here we go. We have our balloons. Going to be using these white balloons and this mixed colorful balloons here. These are 5-inch balloons and these are 12-inch balloons. So we'll start by inflating all our 12-inch balloons, and then we'll move on to inflate the 5-inch balloons, and then I'm going to use some regular balloons that are not linked balloons to create like the base, right? We have finished inflating our 24 pairs of linked balloons. So we are going to go on to inflate our 5-inch balloons, and then we are going to inflate regular balloons like this that do not have linking parts. Okay? So let's inflate these ones and then we'll be right back. Now I'm going to inflate these ones and put them in quarts. Quarts means 4 balloons, and I'm going to put them in different colors. So I'm not going to separate the colors. I'm just going to mix 4 colors together. So if you have 24 pairs of linked balloons, you also need at least 24 quarts of 5-inch balloons. So we are going to use this calicen. Okay guys, at this point we are done inflating our balloons. We are going to link them up like this. So now we are going to be creating the base of our gazebo. So watch me create the base of the gazebo, and then we are going to put the gazebo together. Okay guys, so this is it. We have 4 bases here. So I'm going to come on now with my balloons, and then I'm going to add them to our bases. So what I'm going to do, I'm just going to pull this neck, and I'll put the neck in here, and I'll tie this to it. That is it guys, so let us do the same for the next one. Alright, so we are almost done. We are almost done at this point. So guys, let's add in our 5-inch balloons before we linked the 2 balloons up. Now, in order to make our balloons stable, we are going to add in some water balloons so that it will be stable. Alright guys, so this is it. Our little gazebo is ready. Okay guys, so this is it for today's video. Let me know what you think in the comment section. I created this for the very first time and I would like to know what you think. If you were able to learn something from this video, please kindly give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to share, because sharing could help someone out there. Alright guys, until next time, I will see you in the next one. Bye bye.